made up. I was in fat. So say left to. I was in far right. Okay, my new friend. Hello. Yeah. My bedroom. The Gynel. The day I was trying to send my phone. Okay. Yo, neighbor. Yo. Yeah, me want me buy and we am way. I'm gonna the other name you will say. Only say baby I buy and baby I me want to be any home man at the sa ah. I dear style no. Ah. My bread. Eh, dear, no ma. Yet you come in no more. You're numb phone. Some mamma and to some we get away, but me say, ya. Ah, no, sir. To see I was some emla, Maba. My friend would direct him in my call. Me who? Then said, no. Mammy, some furnish. Hello? Yeah. One my free me for one of my neighbor. And I'm quite one my area say about me say, also are you, Mate? Maybe on hey, what's the name?
Charlie, with dear, me money cool.
David, you can't want to call.
Yeah, come.
Mati,
when I say you interpret, what?
Mati.
Catching pen was a beer.
Oh, David, any problem? Oh, boy.
Hey, 20. What do you mean? Where we want to? The man who broke some. How are you? Men who broke some today. What over?
What?
Chia, I'm not make up by baby. See you cry, I'm not the next Spanish and I'm English, Nameka. Yeah. What do you say? I want to say,
Coming to know.
What the Boblashi pow? Boblashi. Hello. Yeah, madam. How are you?
How are you?
Please, can I spend time of your 1 minute? Yeah, I'm taking you 1 minute. Yeah, please. Sister, I'm to go for me. Do the other boy. I'm smoke when move for some. And the country. Yes, I know I'm young. Your friend Booley.
Yeah, actually, he said that your name is Booley.
Okay, my name is Efia.
Your name is Efia?
Yeah.
Wow. Please, me pacho.
He said that. Where are you coming from?
Oh, I'm coming from abroad. London.
London.
Yeah.
Nice, British man.
Yeah. So we dey pray for India.
No, better move for pound. Sentina, yeah, I'm London. Me patrol. Me, I have l'argent cash.
He said that on he said
you know who making bro.
he said that you get money.
Yeah. You was cat baby. Obosi produce na film discuss about.
He said that your road is Oboase.
Oboase.
Yeah, Oboase baby am too good me. Chena say
who can catch them, you know who catch on.
Who so chena say I don't who can bro for me ntina who go school.
Oh, madam, please, I'm coming.
Madam,
it's okay.
Bra for my why?
I don't know who catch them, I'm not catching. Now see who carry them in the street.
Maybe saying who show map so ya can some. Masa machine we know so my can some info.
Yes.
I'm going somewhere.
Oboase tell that the way I am a Fernando when you I will me person me up.
He said that my brother is
Chene say the way when you come on me person me born come person or you me get.
Okay.
Chene catch them.
My brother he said that your body is fake.
You better say that my body is fake.
Yeah, it's fake.
It's wrong.
Yeah, it's fake. I mean, I like me petty
Your brother is shorting me.
Yeah.
What's he say?
You is shorting me.
What's it them yesterday?
Was it the kind wajatu?
Some catch you.
What are you talking like that?
Oh, me patch.
Are you correct?
What's he saying? What's me correct?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, me person me no bobra. Me person me no tna. Me person
my brother is not the fake you. But see, you a bad girl.
No,
yes,
brother.
Yes. Yeah.
Your brother is.
Oh, come.
Your brother is mad.
What you say?
Your brother is mad.
What's he saying?
Your brother.
Mad, them tell my brother.
Why are you shorting me?
Baby,
am I your class?
Oh, can't you say me?
No, talk to me. Am I your class? Why are you shorting me?
Yeah.
What say?
Was here then I was short. As a would you yeah.
Oh, baby, me
you travel to the abotre. You want to insulting somebody to abotre. Are you crazy?
Hey,
madam, me more than na do people so na yes wa madam. Me person me tell say you oba ho fe. Tell me mu ye.
Oh, nya
me person me no bobra. I want me person we me babe.
Babe. Am I your picking?
Baby, you can't say nyam akro o twab no for me.
He said that my brother is not a small boy. You are big crystal.
Am I a small girl?
No, your brother is not.
Catch him. I mean,
are you talking rubbish?
Huh?
What?
Asa some no on tears you. The man on tears you.
Your brother. Am I not your class? Am I your class?
What's he saying?
Am I your class?
What do also go school? Oh, the school.
Next time, I'm pass here.
Baby,
you call me.
Can you say
I want to destroy you.
Any pay who come? What you say?
Class. Come on, take class into the school. 1 minute, madam. What's that?
No, but
you told them manunko. Jemu. Oh, brother. China see you. Catch you say, me person in the tra. Me person in the bobra.
I know say me can say some natural. Me can say some natural.
Ma take class bu me can say me hwe no.
Madam,
hello.
Tell me wow. I'm surprised. You can't locate where I am. Oh, Efia. Here she comes. Efia. I miss you, girl. How is abroad doing?
Fine.
You're looking splendid.
Thank you.
Give it to me, baby. Give it to me, sister. Give me 360. Yo, that's my girl. You're welcome back.
Thank you.
But what's up with the guys? Did you come with them?
No, I don't know them.
Madam.
You don't know them?
Yeah.
Where do
Really?
me ciao?
Yeah, hi.
Madam, me boni you.
What's up?
Me pacho me am friend Booley.
Okay, nice to see you.
Yeah, by na me. Them say na me madam for yet wa ye fa adwen. Na me say buy you so no. Abetwim.
Okay.
Na madam me nte brofo. Me busa also of London.
You of abroad now, baby.
Sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can me check your crab.
Oba
Oh, Debbie, na unza na me nte English no. no we chire ma chire no nti na say won ti ase yi ni na say won pese o ka chire ne say me pese me ne bobra
Okay.
Me pese me ne etna me pese me hwe no na o ka bibi class so ko school kra na me hwe no school
Sir. When you break.
me ya bre pa
Wow.
me ya bre
na you no was me no didi attempt too much
na me
Oh, they mama and kasa. How do you? They claim you are insulting them. Why? What's up? What happened?
We no nua we. O kire mu ha say. Mo hia me no. We ni suma nua so opese ona metena. Ona me bobra. Na we ni ka kire me say ni nua no. O ka kire say me body na me kita na enye.
Oh, me. Aserewa. Na se me ma ka say nkyerɛw.
Da bi se ba ko na wo kan no wrong.
Me kan no wrong say. Me ka kyerɛw say me pese me ne tena.
Oh, and about some yes am anya. Body e kita nti mu natural body nti mu.
Madam me
na ya ne say the body e face nti mu
am. Aserewa, de bi o me ka body me dey tem. Aserewa, obi e wo so ko school. Wo be
dey show ni omo you serious. Odo you my come
Madam,
I'm surprised. Wow, they really insulted you.
Madam, bibi na kamu tie me na grandpa yi. Aserewa.
Boa.
Aserewa. Fa kwa sem fioko. Aserewa bo ne be na meti wi asem de aye wo.
Ne be bia de mayre.
Eti che obi ka eti che ko kaka no.
Dabi tie.
O se me se ne body ni nye.
Wan kasa no. Mi hu ade ya ne hawo. Yete wona again be twa. O ka kire me se wo be ka ade ne brofo na me ma kire mu twi a kire no.
E na echie me sesa ma adwe se me ka ne twi. Me he na me hu se brofo ne mwa me. E na me de be kotwi a. Di na wo se wo ye. O ka che again se ne body ni.
Hwe se wonim na atante na.
Asewa. Na me hu se me no nim na wo na obo me fom.
Me se wonim na atante me a.
E mbo me nya bi ni na sa yo ya. Entina last time nya again na ya wo ye. Minya again na ya wo ya. Enti me nyo be bia no woni wo Aserewa de wo ye. Na
da bi nye no ana na ye.
De be na ise why am we mfi nsa. Aserewa.
Ani enkope ba akọ.
Fa kwata fa pa sem fi okọ. Wate? Efi no. Wo jimi wate.
Fa je me fi me so.
Wonse odi matam. Wonse woni breme.
Na me du atma wo ye hwan.
Wonse woni breme. Woni breme wo de atwan.
Na ka body we ka body.
Ani adibu aka body we body. Afuna me hu the true colors of you.
Wa ji me fi okọ no a.
Aserewa. Say ya na wotie o. Say ya na wotie. Me no fa na fo. Pasasem ko a. Wate?
Wa bo me mi bo.
Sa wujimi a.